What's up guys, George. You're watching Adventure GT. Today I have a new video for you guys. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these. Today I have something a little different, a little more along the lines of gear for overlanding. If you're out there taking a trip, now that the weather's getting nice, I have something here that might work for you. And we're gonna try it out, see how it works, and it might be good for you, it might be good for me. But here I have something by Best Pure. This is a organizer and it's for the ceiling. This might work out. I did change one of my pieces for that sunglasses. We'll see if it works for me. There's two ways you can do it. You can do it up on the ceiling, or you can do it against the back seat of your driver and passenger seat. We're gonna get back there, we're gonna open this box and we'll see how it turns out. Okay guys, so opening this box. You should just have the item. Okay, it looks like it comes in a little bag. That's nice. You can get this on Amazon, pretty cheap, right around 20 bucks. Comes with a little bit of instructions. As you can see, it is pretty compact. I can wrap my hand mostly around it. So it's pretty small, easy storageable. You are going to be using your handle. So I know some vehicles don't have the handles on the side up top, so it doesn't have to be a ceiling, but it can be used for that. As you can see, it's all mesh, so you can see through it. There's different things you can strap on, tie it away. It's got pockets, it's got zippers. This thing is meant to hold, and you can tighten it. So if it starts to sag, you can just tighten it up a little bit, get it back up there. And it's not supposed to be in the way when you look in your rear view mirror. So let me get stuff in there. We'll put it together and let's see how it looks. If you guys have the My Sky feature, you already kind of have a bit of a divot right here. So it's not just flat like it is right here. You do have that divot. So that's nice. A little bit more extra space if you don't plan on opening the My Sky. So this might be nice. Okay, so as long as it's not upside down, obviously you want the pockets exposed with the zippers. So that's when you know you have it right. Also the name's right there. That's when you know you have it facing down. You're gonna take the one side, which I have right here. You can unclip it and it gives you plenty of excess, as you can see. I'm going to slide it under here. Nice, I can see it's popping up. So this should work. And I'm gonna bring it off to the side here. So far so good. Clip it in and then I can tighten it. Tighten it as much as I need to. I'm gonna say that's good for now. And then we'll get to the other corners and do that next. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this next strap. It looks like I shouldn't have a problem. Plenty of space. And then I'll do this one. And then we'll see how it looks up top. All right guys, what do we think? I think it looks cool. Easily have space to put stuff in here. And even from the back side over here, can't really even tell. So this whole purpose, guys, is for the overlanders, for the people camping, have that extra storage option. Who thinks about the ceiling, honestly? No one thinks about ceiling when it comes to storage. Now, obviously, I'm gonna put stuff in here and see how it really is without breaking anything. So we got these zippers. Opens this whole pouch up. Easily stuff in there. Here's a long sleeve of mine. It's not even sagging that low yet, but you can always tighten it as you go too. Heck, I have a sweater back here too. Just toss that in there. And just because the zipper's open, you don't have to put it in there. So I'm gonna close that. Throw this in between. As you can see, there's that hump inside where the My Sky feature is. And it just kind of caresses itself right in there. So that's great. Here's one of my little cases for my GoPro stuff. This main pocket as well. Slide that in there. Now, you could use this stuff for your clothes. You can use it for like a first aid kit, you know, stuff like that. We'll get up front again. We'll see how it looks from the rear view mirror. All right, looking at it from my point of view, I mean, it clears my head, so I have no problem with it. Yeah, it all seems to work. And you have multiple pockets, and you have these straps too. If you want to strap something down, you could easily do that. Strap it down, close it, boom. And like I said before, starts to sag, just tighten it back down. I really like this, guys. It actually is really smart to use your ceiling top. But like I said before, if you don't have all 4 pegs, then you could also use the back seats, and I'll show you that next. All right guys, check it out. This would be the other way. Strap it down to the bottom of the seat, up to where the headrest is, cross. Same thing on the passenger side, top and bottom. There you go. That's how it would look. it would be the same idea, except now you have it vertically instead of horizontally, or more like in the air versus flat across the back seats. It really wouldn't get too much in the way if you had a passenger. And to be honest, guys, we all know the Renegades, there's not a whole lot of room, but we try to use space as much as we can, and there's something like this, better way to store your stuff if you don't want to store it up top, especially the smaller things. Like I said, you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. I wouldn't use tools too many. It might get a little heavy for some tools. You can still do it. I wouldn't do it up top though. What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it? I think so. All right guys, that's the end of this video. Something simple, quick, easy. Another gear add-on for your overlanding camping needs. It's great. I think it's worth it. 20 bucks, guys. I will list it down below in the description so you guys have better access to it. But besides that, that's all I have. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.